Hello everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick. How are you today? It is so nice outside. Let me check the temperature. 68. It is 68 degrees. I love spring. I get total spring fever. Like, I get crazy in the spring. I love spring. I love it. This morning I went out to my car to get ready to go to work, and a big flock of geese was flying north, and I was like, go get them, boys. Fly north. It is spring. I am sure that we're still going to have some cold days. I'm sure. Last year we had snow on May 16th. That was kind of a fluke. That doesn't happen very often, but I know that there's going to be some more cold days. But I feel like we're at the light at the end of the tunnel for winter. And it also feels like we're coming to the light at the end of the tunnel for COVID. More and more people are getting vaccinated. The numbers are going down. People can visit their loved ones in nursing homes now, at least in some places. I'm not sure if that's true everywhere. Oh, it just feels so good. I'm feeling like there's been a weight lifted a little bit. Even though we've gone through some sad moments recently in my family with the passing of my stepdad, it still feels like things are getting better. And even with my stepdad, we knew that he couldn't get better, and so now he's at peace. So even that feels like a lifted burden. I hate to say it like that. I don't want to imply that he was a burden, but his burden has been lifted. How about that? Does that make sense? It's so tricky. Wording is so tricky sometimes. Anyway, it's spring and I'm feeling good and I'm feeling hungry. So I actually just came from the deli where I got some bread and some chicken. I'm going to take that back to work and make myself a sandwich and eat it at my desk. But I thought I have enough time for a car chat. So I've kind of missed car chatting this way. I've been doing a couple lives instead, and that's nice because I don't have to edit them. But yeah, I kind of miss editing. I love to edit. I love it. So I'll tell you what I've been working on and what's coming up with Yarn Hookers on Saturday. So first, let me show you my birthday present that came. I actually brought only one skein, but I got two. My sister sent me these. Isn't that gorgeous? The color is Wisteria. And this is a medium weight 4. Let's see, suggested crochet hook size is, as I hold it further and further away, a 5.5 to a 6.5 millimeter. My favorite size hook. And this is, it was spun in Peru for Euro Farms, and it is alpaca. Or I'm sorry, not alpaca. It's 100% llama. Let me hold it up nice and close. I don't know if you could hear that or see that in my window. Well, I was so distracted with my yarn. There's a lady and her little boy in his tricycle. Spring! We're back at the park. The gates are still closed. I can't get into the park, but I'm on the outer edge of the park. It's nice to be at the park. Okay, so anyway, as I'm finished gushing over my yarn, but oh my gosh, 100% llama from Peru. Mr. Llama in Peru, or Miss Llama, or Mrs. Llama in Peru. I don't know who you are, but you made some beautiful wool for me to play with. It's so soft. Okay, the other thing I have to show you today is my scrappy basket. It's so big. I don't know if I can show it on the screen. I'll try. For yarn hookers this week, our theme is baskets. So I could have made a small basket, right? But did I? No. I made this big honkin' basket. So I used a solid granny square base. Oh, there comes the car. Gonna go by looking at the weirdo talking to herself, holding up yarn. That's me. Anyway, yeah, so I used a granny square base, solid granny square base, and then I just went around and I did some fun front post double crochets to make this cool little kind of border thing, and then I put the handles in, and I've got this great big basket. It's not very stiff. I used double crochet stitches. If I'd used half doubles or singles, it would have been a lot stiffer, I'm sure. But I was on a timeline. So anyway, yeah, that's what I've been working on the last 2 days while not editing. I've been working on my basket. And I didn't weave in my ends yet. Maybe I'll get them woven in by yarn hookers on Saturday. So if you're not familiar with yarn hookers and you're not familiar with me, welcome. Yarn hookers is myself, Ginger, whose channel is called Yarn Geek, and Melanie, whose channel is called Hook to the Left. And once a week, the three of us get together at one of our channels, and we have a theme every week. And this week's theme is baskets. And we do a little slideshow. We have some information. We've got some patterns for you. They're not necessarily our patterns, just patterns that we thought were really cool. And yeah, so you have all this stuff accessible to you. And if you join the Facebook group, because we have a Yarn Hookers Facebook group, if you join the Facebook group, then you have access to all of the slides and all of the links, and it's great. So we have a lot of fun. Yeah, we goof off quite a bit as well. And it's not all business. But we have a really good time. So we'd love to see you join us at the Yarn Hookers. This week we are at Melanie's channel, Hook to the Left, I believe. Pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. I better double check on that. I'll put it down here, the definite. I'll write it at the bottom. But yes. So anyway, we're working with baskets this week. So I can't wait to see what the other gals have done for their projects. They're probably smart and did little baskets. I did this great big honkin' basket. What else is going on? We've got spring. So far, signs of spring that I've seen. I've seen robins. I saw red-winged blackbird, and I saw the geese this morning. And I'm seeing that the snow has melted all over the place. See? It's all melting. So I'm delighted with that. And yeah, I guess that's all that's going on. I'm really excited to edit this video. That's kind of strange. Most people don't really like editing, but I do. I love it. It just allows me to be creative. So I'm going to let you go. I've got to get back to work. I'm going to go make my sandwich, sit at my desk, and plug away. Get it all done. Get the work done. So I can go home and enjoy some of this weather. Don't forget to look for the beauty in every day. And I'm going to add at the end of this video some video that my sister took this morning down in Tallahassee, Florida, where she lives. And oh my gosh, beautiful. I'm pretty sure they're magnolias that are in bloom down there. And I'm pretty sure that's what's in the video. So it's gorgeous. Relax. Enjoy. Oh, and I'm really excited about something else, and I can't tell you what it is. That's why I'm all hyper, because I woke up early this morning, and I was doing yoga, and I had this idea, this sudden inspiration for the channel, and I can't tell you what it is yet. It's going to be a surprise. So yeah, I'm all hyper. I probably eat too much candy. Okay, guys. I hope you have a great day. Look for the beauty in it. It's out there if you just look. And I will see you next time on Car Chat, or hopefully on Yarn Hookers on Saturday night, 5 p.m. Eastern time. 5 p.m. Eastern Time. That was terrible.